Laser Experts provides the highest quality and lowest cost industrial laser machine sales, services, software, component repair and replacement parts available. Experts on FANUC, Panasonic, Mitsubishi, Trump, Bystronic, and PRC CO2 industrial lasers, and Amada, Mazak, Tanaka, Cincinnati LVD, NTC, and most laser machine systems. Our name says it all, and it's our goal at Laser Experts to be the one-stop shop for all your laser machine needs. Our always answer phone service, parts research team, affordable software solutions, complete training packages, worldwide expert service network like new laser machine deals, and technical document databases put us in a league of our own. With experts on both laser and machine side systems, engineers in every major U.S. city, and new experts joining us from all over the globe, we're everywhere you are. Laser Experts is the only full-service solution. Machine moves, turbo blower vacuum pump replacement, optic replacement cleaning and alignment with expert-level phone and on-site troubleshooting and repairs. Laser Experts created the Laser Super Clean process to restore a laser's performance to a like new condition. Customers benefit from longer blower, vacuum pump, optic, discharge tube, and all-around system life. Only Laser Experts cares enough to do the jobs that save you real time and money. With the most laser parts you need in stock and the largest growing inventory of laser machine parts at a fraction of OEM prices, only Laser Experts cares enough to always stock what you need now. From the tip to the turbo blower, we focus on the demands of our customers and the OEM's lack of supply. If they don't have it or won't sell it, we will for sure. Get what you need fast and fairly priced, no questions asked. Laser Experts is the only source for time-tested, reliable, reconditioned blowers and pumps. We have spent considerable time and money to ensure our rebuilds last and improve them in every possible way. With over 500 units rebuilt and running, and a lower failure rate than the OEM, we are so confident in our products that we offer an unheard of 15,000-hour warranty and replacement period. Higher quality, lower cost, and longer life. A win-win-win deal. Our repair return and services are unsurpassed and second to none. From RF power supplies to sensing, amplifiers, and everything in between, there is nothing we can't fix. All repairs are laser tested and warrantied, and if it's beyond repair, we offer the highest core credits around. Laser Experts offers world-class on-site or in-house operator, maintenance, programming, and applications training on any laser machine system. With all of the experts in the world behind us, you just can't beat our knowledge and experience. Real-world, up-to-date training materials, procedures, and techniques teach you everything you want to know, and things the OEM won't. Only Laser Experts will train, support, and sell you the part you need to perform the advanced level self-service that saves you real downtime and money. You just can't find a better deal, friendlier people, or a more knowledgeable staff. Call Laser Experts now and cut your laser operating and maintenance costs in half, while increasing part production, quality, and profits.